So what's up guys? Tank tayo ngayon kasi yun lang alam natin. Wala nang iba. Syempre bilang tank tulungan natin yung core natin na kumuha ng objective. Tapos bigyan din natin siya ng vision. Kagaya nito.
Archon, sound the horn of victory!
Initiate retreat!
The most precious legacy of
Sayang, kala ko madadali na namin yung mage nila. Kaso ako pala nadali pero okay lang, napatay naman namin yung core nila, good trade. Tapos dito sa baba nakita ko yung jawhead nila, konti na lang buhay. Tapos dinalawan ko yung EXP namin kaso umuwi na pala siya. Sayang, patay na sana yon. Tapos dito nag-turtle kami at ito yung mga nangyari.
An enemy has been slain! An ally has slain the turtle!
Vanish the darkness!
An enemy has been slain! Killing spree!
At syempre dumiretso na kami sa blue nila para kunin. Tapos yung parson nila gusto niyang contest kaso napitas siya.
A true knight never says die.
Tapos nakita ko yung gold lane namin na parang kinakawawa. Syempre bilang tank dadalawan natin yan.
Is a knight's duty. Vanish the darkness!
Killing spree!
Tapos syempre kunin naman yung second turtle. Pero bago namin kunin, pitasin muna namin yung tank nila para free turtle.
An ally has slain the turtle! Initiate retreat!
Vanish the darkness!
You have slain an enemy! Mega kill!
Tapos nakita ko may nagkaklasing sa baba, so dali-dali kong pinuntahan. Para tulungan kaso napitas na pala yung Thomas namin.
Your team destroyed launch attack! An enemy has been slain! Launch attack! Our turret has been destroyed! An enemy has been slain!
Vanish the darkness!
An enemy has been slain! Shut down! Initiate retreat! Destroy the turret! Initiate retreat! An enemy has been slain!
Nakasurvive pa ako doon. Tapos nakita ko yung MM namin hinahabol siya ng akay, syempre tutulungan natin siya. Na parang superhero.
Monster kill!
Vanish the darkness!
Double kill! Enemy has been slain! Shut down! Launch attack!
Even death
Killing spree! Initiate double kill!
our faith is... Together we are the Light's Order. We fight to the end. Vanish the darkness!
Double kill!
Grabe naman yung mga set namin doon. Sayang, nadali pa ako. Lintik na akay yon. At dito napalalim masyado yung MM nila, so ayun, nadali siya. Grabe naman kasi Idol Heret, sobrang lakas, napasavage tuloy.
To protect our homeland is
Ally has slain Lord.
expectation can be burdened. Although I'm walking in the frost, the warmth of my heart
Sa sobrang lakas ko, tinipihan ko sila lahat. Joke lang, nice game mga idols.